Oh hi, welcome back. Let's make a certain color pop in a black and white image edited using this raw image. We'll be using Photoshop to do this. So let's say after you've taken a picture using your DSLR camera, just like this one, the picture that I've taken, and then you want to make the blue color pop and then make the rest of the colors turn into black and white, go under color mixer and then click on saturation. You want to have the blue color, so set the value for the blues to 0 and then the rest to -100 so that each color gets desaturated or turns into black and white or monochromatic. Just like this. Pretty easy, eh? If you want to, make the green color pop, you simply, drag the slider so that each color turns into black and white. All good. And then the oranges as well. Yeah, look. The green color pops in this black and white image, but I like to highlight the color of the umbrella and the backpack, so I'll do some tweaks with the other color so that the blue color pops, just like so. You can, even do some tweaks with the saturation for the blue color so that it looks more vibrant and vivid. You can also, adjust the number of the exposure by dragging this slider so that, looks cool, just like this. And that, folks, is how you can make a color, a specific color, pop in a black and white image, edited using this, raw image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao. Before and after. Easy, isn't it?